Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, your source for all things electric vehicles and sustainable energy. I'm your host, here to bring you the latest on what's driving the future of transportation. It looks like some lawmakers in Washington might be taking a step back from supporting our transition to electric vehicles. A new tax bill that recently passed through the House is set to slash billions in taxpayer cash for buying eco-friendly cars. That's right, folks. We're talking billions of dollars that could have gone towards helping us ditch those gas guzzlers and hop onto the electric highway. Now, this isn't just about saving a few bucks on taxes. It's about what this means for our environment. Electric vehicles are becoming increasingly popular, and for good reason. They produce zero tailpipe emissions, reducing air pollution in urban areas and helping to combat climate change. By giving up those tax incentives, we're essentially sending a message that electric cars aren't worth investing in. But here's the thing. It's not just about what the government does or doesn't do. As consumers, we have the power to drive demand for electric vehicles. And with brands like Tesla leading the charge, there's never been a better time to make the switch. In fact, did you know that Tesla has already sold over 500,000 electric vehicles in the US alone? That's more than the number of gas-powered cars sold by some major automakers. Now, I'm not saying this new tax bill is all bad news. Some argue that it could actually level the playing field for electric vehicle manufacturers, making them less dependent on government subsidies. But let's be real. What we need is more investment in our infrastructure, not less. We need to see more charging stations popping up across the country so drivers can feel confident they're making an eco-friendly choice. So, what does this mean for us? It means it's time to speak up and make some noise. Let your representatives know that you support electric vehicle incentives, write those letters, make those phone calls, and use your voice on social media. We need to show the world that we're committed to a sustainable future, one that doesn't rely on taxpayer dollars. That's it for today's episode of ElectroDrive News. If you're as passionate about clean energy as we are, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. We'll keep bringing you the latest news and updates from the world of electric vehicles. Until next time, stay charged.